Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the strategies to reduce environmental problems from unit number 11 of chemistry class 9th. Climatic change migration is the first thing that should be reduced for the environmental problems. Climatic change migration means the movement of people due to climatic changes, and there are different factors which can be responsible for this. For the source of World Bank, average number of the people migrated per region is shown in the screen right now. Now we are going to learn about a few strategies that can be adopted to reduce the environmental problems, to mitigate the problem. The first thing is to do the transition to renewable energy sources. We should move on from the traditional fossil fuels ways to some of the renewable sources, and increasing the use of renewable energy sources like the wind, solar, hydro, and geothermal energies can help us to reduce the problem of greenhouse gases and the emission of these gases, which can lead to different problems. The second thing is the energy efficiency. As you can see, by promoting the energy efficient technologies, we can reduce the energy consumption and the related gas emissions. The third way is to reduce the carbon dioxide emission from the transport. We can reduce the transportation by using different things. Like you can see, we can use the bicycles, or we can walk, or we can use such type of vehicles that can be result in the reduction of carbon dioxide. Like for example, we can use the electrical cars. By using these cars and by installing the catalytic converters, we can reduce the emission of carbon dioxide to a much greater level. The second strategy is afforestation and reforestation. The difference can be shown in the screen. Afforestation means the plantation of trees in a particular area which hasn't been forested in a very long time, whereas replantation is the reforestation in the areas where the forests have been removed or they are completely destroyed. So by planting more trees, we can help reduce the carbon dioxide emission in the environment. The practices not only results in the improvement of the air quality, but it will also help us to improve the soil erosion problem, and it will result in the increase of biodiversity. The second thing is the regeneration of forest planting. So we should look for the initiatives to rehabilitate and reforest the damaged forest to promote the carbon sequestration and wildlife habitat. The third strategy is the sustainable land use, which means the responsible management of the land resources to meet the present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own. Sustainable agriculture will refer to the promotion of sustainable and renewable agriculture techniques by the promotion of organic fertilizers instead of the fertilizers and pesticides, which will reduce the emissions, protect water supplies, and improve soil health. So we can start by using plantation and small scale farmers, why they use such activities. And the most important, we should reduce the deforestation, which is the leading cause of our main problem. So we should stop deforestation. We should take steps to reduce deforestation and promote sustainable logging, which can help to protect important carbon sinks. And the best way is to plant more trees to stop the deforestation. The next thing is we should move to a low carbon economy by transitioning to a hydrogen economy and the circular economy. Moving to a low carbon economy by moving on to different sources like the hydrogen economy, by promoting its use, it can lead to the solution of many of our problems. The fifth one is the international cooperation and politics, like the Paris Agreement, according to which we can be limited to the global warming temperatures below 2 degrees centigrade and reaching higher to 1.5 degree target. Then the policy support is the implementation of the strong and effective policies to use the renewable energy sources to pave the way for the changes and the implementation of sustainable practices. So it's important that we should require such strategies which will lead to the problems of our solutions, and by developing proper and fruitful strategies. Now that's all for today. Thanks for watching.